Good morning, class third. Today again we have started chapter number third, that is the words of animals. Last time we have discussed the different types of the different types of backbones animals, and today we have learned the animals have sense organs. In our human body, there are 5 sense organs, that is the eye, nose, ear, tongue, and the skin. And sense organs connect us to the world outside. Most fish have good eyesights and a sense of taste, and they can feel vibration in the water, which they help them to find the food and know about the danger. Frogs have large eyes which allow them to see the sides and the behind without moving, and they can also feel vibration through the water. And the snakes have poor eyesight, but they use their tongue to smell their surroundings, and birds can see much better than human beings. This helps them find food easily and know about the approaching dangers. In human body, the ears help us to the hear, and the tongue allow us to taste the food, and help us to speak. There are tiny sensory structures on the tongue called the taste buds, which help us to differentiate the different taste, that is the sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. And the skin help us to feel the heat, cold, and the pain. And next topic that we have learned, that is the animals with the backbone. And animals reproduce by the laying eggs and giving birth to the young ones. We have a start with the fish that is the live in water, and they move with fins, eat plants, animals, or the both, and breathe with the gills, and they have lay the eggs. And in amphibians, which is they are live in a land and the water, they can hop or swim, traps insects with tongues, breathe with lungs or the skins, and they also lays the eggs. In reptiles, they have live on the land and the water, and they can shelter or walk, and they can breathe with the help of lungs, and they also reproduce by the lay eggs. In the bird, they have features and wings. They can fly and walk, eat small animals, insects, fruit, grains, and breathe with the lungs, and they also lay eggs. And the last one is the mammals. In the mammals, they have hair and the furs, walk on 4 legs, herbivorous, carnivorous, and the omnivorous, and breathe with help the lungs, and they give birth to their youngs. Fish reproduce by laying eggs in the water, and they lay thousands of eggs because some eggs and baby fishes that hatch out of them are eaten by the other fishes. And amphibians also lay their eggs in the water, and the reptiles reproduce by the laying their eggs on the land. When the eggs hatch, the mother picks and the babies in her mouth, they carries them to the water. And the birds, they produce young ones by laying eggs in their nest, and the mother bird lays eggs and keep them warm until the young hatch. And the last, mammals do not lay eggs, they give birth to their youngs. The mother produce milk to feed her young, and they guard their babies and they keep them clean, and they look after them until they are old enough to look after themselves. Here I have bend your session here, and today's your question is, what do you think will happen if we do not have sense organ? Okay class, then we have meet in your next video. Then thank you.